Hi, I'm going to share with you my almost finished library and crafts room. Let's open the light. Okay, so these are the books I made out of vintage stationaries. This is a water pitcher that I converted into a vase. Stack of books, more books, another flower vase with a green plant, packages, so nice. I have 3 packages, and then I made these newspapers as well from vintage papers. This is my iPad, more notes and letters, another flower. That's my portrait. This is my mom's book, Gloria's Kitchen. Grab a copy. And then these are binders for files. More letters there. And these are cute pencils. And that's my best-selling book, Mga Sulat na Para Sana Sa'yo. These are tubs of paints, a printer, and I made this paper bag out of pieces I've seen in my stash, bearing my favorite painter, Van Gogh. These are rolls of papers, and there's a poster of my book. Of course, there's an easel, gift wrapping papers, colors, more books, and then a room wouldn't be complete without my favorite red wine. These are pretzels I made out of clay. These are I made this things to do. This is my favorite single sofa with Louis sitting on it, and this is Vinci. That's my bag. This is a red phone that I super like. A lampshade. And of course, this is my clubs. Where are my golf balls? Oh! That's one golf ball. There's another one. I lost it, I guess. No, it's here. Okay. And this one I made. This one I made using caps of medicine bottles. This is a Nordic center table. Here I place hooks on the shelf. These are my reminders. More books. And this shoe reminds me of Cinderella. And of course, my favorite from LACMA, from Henry Matisse. Very nice. So I made this lang. And one of these days, I will work on a project because I received this. It's a miniature dollhouse of my miniature dollhouse. So I'll put some stuff there. We'll see. Okay. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed my little room.